How does Vericut protect your machines? It's easy. First, you take a machine tool. Then you add stock and tools. Run Vericut to simulate the actual machining process using a digital twin to ensure your program will run as intended on the real machine. Send your collision and error-free NC program to the machine with confidence that your expensive investment is now protected. Nothing stands in your way of a stress-free machining process and on-time delivery. Vericut saves time, saves money, and saves your machines. But what if you could go one step further to significantly reduce machining times and increase tool life? How can Vericut Force optimize your machining processes? Force optimization creates the most effective NC program for the given material, cutting tool, and machining conditions. Force shortens cycle times while extending tool life and protecting CNC machines. Let's take a look inside the simulation and how Force works. Force optimizes NC programs to achieve a constant, maximum chip thickness by adjusting the feed rate, spindle speed, and tool position. Tool paths are not changed. Force only splits the path into smaller blocks of code to apply ideal feed rates for each segment. Force graphs show the differences in time savings for the total cycle time, as well as the savings for each tool in the program. Force protects the machine and tool by limiting excesses like force, power, torque, and tool deflection, resulting in cycle time savings and reduced tool wear. Machinists no longer have to make manual optimization adjustments while the machine is running. Balance productivity, sustainability, safety, and tool life with Force optimization, the most innovative optimization tool on the market.